As many people have been focused on NFTs and cryptocurrencies, Metaverse seems to be an unfamiliar concept to most. With this, I am going to share with you in this video about Metaverse as a passive income machine that no one is talking about. Welcome, and to get updated with anything about Metaverse, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell icon. Metaverse. How does making passive income through it work? At the time we first heard about the Metaverse and all about it, I believe that many of us were confused. Meanwhile, I will share with you a variety of ways you can earn a living with the Metaverse as a complete beginner in the year 2022 and beyond. Additionally, I will show you how to generate passive income without investing any money at all using the Metaverse. The Metaverse is probably not something you need to explain too much, as you've most likely seen Mark Zuckerberg's presentation about how he had changed Facebook into Metaverse. However, for anyone who might be a little bit confused, Metaverse is a new stage on the internet. Therefore, in much the same way that the internet changed the world 2 decades ago, the Metaverse will change the world too. Moreover, through the Metaverse, you can experience the online world in 3D or 3D by viewing the internet as a real person rather than just watching the screen. You will feel as if you are familiar with the internet. My certainty that this will succeed stems from the fact that Mark Zuckerberg has invested billions of dollars in VR for the last 2 years, probably in preparation for the Metaverse. Given the size of the company and their level of research, there is a smaller chance that they will let this project fall through. Therefore, even if it sounds creepy to say we're alone in your room in the middle of a concert, it is inevitable that this will be the future. Furthermore, it's better to prepare for this possibility and perhaps even use it to your advantage to earn money, since, as you probably already know, those who are early adopters make the most from things they participate in. The sale of non-fungible tokens as virtual real estate or land in the Metaverse is becoming increasingly popular. These properties can't be physically visited, but the appeal of taking part in this investment is in the fact that the certificates backing these assets are forgery resistant. Additionally, a trend has been attracting the attention of real estate investors seeking to deploy their funds in new ways. As a matter of fact, 6-figure sums are spent on them in the belief that they will yield great returns. Moreover, some anticipate triple-digit growth in the next 16 months. A virtual Decentraland platform operated by Metaverse Group, which was the first company to enter the virtual real estate space as part of the Metaverse Group. Yet, ever since Facebook's rebranding to Metaverse, the notion has gained massive attention, with investors speculating on the knock-on effects for various Metaverse games and their respective cryptocurrency tokens. And there is particular interest in properties in the NFT-based universes of Axie Infinity, Decentraland, and the Sandbox. Similarly, the prices of the crypto tokens linked to these projects have rocketed, with Decentraland's Mana coin rising 4,258% in a year. According to Google results, searches for these terms exploded in just a short time, with interest surfacing only recently. Furthermore, people who started making videos at the beginning of YouTube's peak are now worth millions of dollars. That is because everyone was just trying to understand what YouTube is and how it works. Although we are still very early in the Metaverse, you can still get started today making money even if you are unsure of what Web 3.0 is and how it works. Therefore, the very first thing that you can do to make money with Metaverse without investing money or buying stocks would be to just start making content about Metaverse on social media. Additionally, you do not necessarily need to start a YouTube channel, as I do right now. You can make short TikTok videos, Instagram posts, Pinterest posts, or anything else you like. You can start a Metaverse Instagram page a couple of weeks ago, and within a month, the page would grow from 0 to over 10,000 followers organically. Further, with just one single Instagram page, you can now make money in a variety of ways. In addition, you can sell shoutouts, sell your products, become an affiliate, and promote products. Thus, by simply making an Instagram account without showing your face in the post, you were able to grow quickly and set up an online business that will most likely earn you a couple of $1,000s every single month. Moreover, you can probably make money from the video you are watching at the moment. For example, if it ranks high on YouTube in the next couple of months or years. And if you're worried because you don't know anything about those things, how can you make that move? Well, it's pretty simple. You need to do some research by visiting Google, opening up 10 different articles and blog posts about the metaverse and reading what others have to say about it, and listening to podcasts. For example, Chris Dickinson's Wonders of Web3 is something I strongly recommend to get started. Since it's still relatively new and exciting, interest in it is growing rapidly and people are searching for this content more and more. You can start creating high-quality content as soon as possible. In addition, they are going to be able to explain what Metaverse is and how it works, and making money can be quite simple. The truth is, just so you're aware, there are a ton of faceless YouTube channels discussing NFTs and Metaverse that are crushing it. Thus, that doesn't mean you have to have a fancy camera or show your face on the internet. Simply write the script, record the voiceover, and add some visuals to the screen, which you can download for free of charge from stock footage websites. Anyhow, the second option for making money inside of the Metaverse is to invest in land, which is very similar to a traditional way to generate income in real life. In addition to Decentraland, the Sandbox is currently the second most popular metaverse world. Despite looking like just another online game, individuals are attending virtual concerts, going to virtual clubs, and performing for a fee in some of those worlds. And these clubs are where people sell and buy NFTs within those worlds, and a lot of money is traded within these worlds. According to the article, Sandbox traded for more than $70 million in a single week. Furthermore, it isn't hard to make money off of these so-called games, and you can do it by investing in land and becoming a digital real estate investor just like you would in real life. Anyway, another way to make money in the metaverse is to play paid-to-play games. So there are plenty of companies and platforms that allow you to earn money from playing games. As the article mentions, earning money through play-to-earn games is one of the most popular ways to earn money in the metaverse. For instance, gamers in Southeast Asia are earning their living by playing blockchain-based play-to-earn games. Snoop Dogg is throwing virtual parties, and RS have a new way to make money. Moreover, it is reported that some metaverse players make $3,000 to $5,000 a month from playing computer games. Aside from this, you could invest in the metaverse itself as another way to earn money using the metaverse. With this, you could potentially make similar money as you would if you had invested in Apple or Amazon in the 90s when they were just getting started and they weren't even close to where they are now. However, it was suggested that it is safe to invest in the Metaverse Index, which is a small index of a variety of coins that will either be used within the metaverse or are somehow related to it. Also, with the popularity of the metaverse growing and more people beginning to use it, there might be an increase in the price of these indexes. In addition, you can sell freelancing services on freelancing platforms such as Fiverr and Upwork to make money right now with the metaverse. Additionally, there are already people on Fiverr who are selling different services related to the metaverse, such as creating the NFT art, developing new platforms, helping with community support, and much more. Providing you have the necessary skills and are willing to put in the necessary work, you can charge hundreds of dollars to perform these services. Also, it's simple to sign up for these platforms. All you have to do is enter your prospect's email address and he or she will receive your services. Considering that we are so new to Metaverse, you can start to drop Metaverse services and earn money working as a freelancer without performing the actual work themselves. That's all for this video about Metaverse. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video as well.